Hi everyone, this is the Starry Master. In this class, we will see 5th and 6th problem from exercise 2.2, chapter numbers and sequence. So let's go into the video. Here in 5th problem, if p1x and this expression equal to 113400, where p1, p2, p3, p4 are prime in ascending order and x1, x2 are integer, and find the values of all p values and x values we have to find by using this expression. Okay, so the number given here 113400, this is a number, so we have to take LCM for this, and the LCM should be in always prime number, so we will take 2. Okay, so we will divide this and write quotient here. So 5 6 7 00, 5 6 7 00 into 2, we will get this value. Okay, then we will divide 2 8 3 5 0 into 2, we will get this value. So again for 2 1 4 1 7 5, we will get that value. So here remainder last value is 5, so we will go by 5. So 5 into 2835 will give this value, and again we will go by 5. 5 into 567 will give this value. We have to divide this value by 5 and write the quotient here, that's all. So then here we will go by 3. Okay, so 3 1 are 3, remaining here 226 8 19. We have to divide this value by 3 and write quotient here. Okay, that's all. So 3 6 3 6 are 18, 3 3 are 9, so 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, so 3 7s are 21. We will finish here and we will write 113400 is equal to what we have got, 2 into 5. We will write in, actually we have to write in ascending order, so we will write in ascending order 2 3 then 5 then 7. Okay, 2 we have 3 times, so 2 power 3. 3 we have 4 times, so 3 power 4. 5 we have 2 times, so 5 power 2, and 7 we have 1 time, so 7 here. Okay, then the expression given here, p1 x1 into p2 x2 p3 x3 and p4 x will be 4. So p1 is equal to down value 2, p2 is equal to 3, p4 equal to, sorry, p3 equal to 5, p4 equal to 7. Okay, so x1 equal to 3, x2 above value 4, all the powers, x3 equal to 2, x4 equal to above x4 1. Okay, we have found all xp values and x values. Then here find LCM and HCF of 408 and 170 by applying fundamental theorem of all arithmetics. Okay, fundamental theorems of arithmetic means we have to take LCM by using prime numbers. Okay, we will go by 408. First we have 408 and here we have 170. Okay, first we will go by 408. We will divide by prime number 2. Okay, 2 means 4 2s, 2 2s are 4, remaining 0 0 same, 2 2s are 2 4s are 8. Okay, 2 into 2 not 4, we will get 408. So 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 2s are 4. Okay, 257, sorry, 51s are 251s are 102. So here 317s are. So we'll stop till here. So we will take here we have to take by prime number now. So 17 also a prime number. So 17 tens are 170, then 2 fives are 10. Here we got 5. 5 is also a prime number, so we will stop it here. Okay, we can't divide further, so we will stop here. So we have 408 equal to and 170 equal to 408 equal to we have 2 3 2's 2 into 2 into 2 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 17 we have. Okay, then here in 70 we have 2 into 5 into 17. 2 into 5 into 17 we have written just in ascending order. Okay, here we have to find LCM. Okay, for LCM we have to take the common values between these two. We have 2 common here. Okay, we will write 2 into, here we have 17 common in both, so we will write 17. 2 into 17, and for LCM we have to write all the values left out. Okay, the values left out, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 left out. So LCM 2 into 17 34 34 64. We have to multiply all this value, and we will get 2040, which is LCM we have found. Okay, for HCF, we have to take only the common values. 2 into 17. Okay, 2 17s are 34. We have to take only common values. We should not take remaining values. Okay, HCF. That's it. If you like this video, give it a like, share to your friends, and leave a comment. I will post my videos oftenly. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel to get all our latest updates, and press the bell icon to get the notification. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.